So cool.
Let's go!
We got a big windmill in front of us. I love the colors on this coaster as well. Bright yellow pops so hard. Whoa. Whoa, that is sick. The loop is awesome.
Whoa! We're on the hair raiser in Hong Kong on top of a mountain. Oh my gosh, let's go!
Wow.
Woo! Whoa! Airtime here! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Oh yeah, some of the coolest views ever from a roller coaster.
Look where we are right now. That one makes the ride very comfortable.
What a ride.